So you've got their attention, now what? Well, now find or create a problem. The successful ad should meet a need. This is an ad for Calvin Klein underwear, and I don't think you have to look too far to understand the needs this ad suggests will be met. And of course, if a need doesn't exist, create one. There are 4 basic types of needs, and we'll discuss each one. Physical needs, safety needs, belongingness and love, and esteem. What did people do to relax before the days of drugs? This Miles Nervine ad is from the 1940s. These days, nearly all of us feel tense and nervous once in a while. So try Miles Nervine to help you feel relaxed. When you're calm, you feel better. You do better. Physical needs is a strong problem that we need to address. Physical needs can usually be summed up as food, drink, shelter, sex. The more primal the need, the more powerful the motivation. Sex falls into the category of a primal physical need, but not love. As you look at advertisements, analyze which ones appeal to sex and which ones appeal to love, which we'll talk about later. Safety needs are a strong motivator, keeping you and the family safe. Advertisers like to create strong emotional responses in people. The stronger the emotion, the less critical the target will be about the claims of the product. On the left-hand side is an ad that you will never see in the United States. This is actually from England, clearly indicating a safety need, also tied in with a physical need. The best ads create the greatest impact by motivating us across many different needs. The second ad is for a gun range. Ladies' night at the pistol range. The next problem for us to look at is love, belongingness, and love. Everyone wants to belong. Everyone wants to love and be loved. So buy this product and get what you want. Buy this Coke, get a kiss from a pretty girl. One of the great motivators is self-esteem. This is a complex motivation since it can be applied both positively and negatively. Ads promoting positive self-esteem make you feel good about yourself and about the product. Ads promoting negative self-esteem make you feel bad about yourself until you buy the product, then you'll feel good about yourself. The whisk ad that we've talked about is a good example of negative self-esteem.
Ring around the collar! Ring around the collar!
Those dirty rings.
The ad creates an atmosphere of negative self-esteem. This poor woman, she's humiliated because her husband has ring around the collar. And this negative self-esteem can only be countered by buying the product. This type of conditioned response, problems can only be solved by the purchase of a product, is why some critics refer to excess consumption as an addiction. These two ads both speak to self-esteem, both speak to a woman's need to appeal to a man. And these two ads, again, speak to self-esteem. Kohl's swimwear is trying to cover all of its niche bases. You can be either feminine or female wearing a Kohl's swimsuit. And of course, Charles Atlas can make a new man out of you, where you can go to the beach and proceed to pound somebody into the sand. In the next part, we'll take a look at the methods used to persuade you to buy products. We'll start with facts, then we'll move on to emotions.